Welcome to the PPF Essentials video where we talk about the tools. Starting out here, we've got our Avery Dennison knife. It's a snap-off blade, so you can have that. It's also 30-degree angle. That way we get to click it off every time we're going to trim PPF, but you have to make sure you've got a good quality blade with good quality knife holder. You don't want any of that movement. Next one is our squeegees. They have two different types. A red one, which is a little softer. They're a different durometer. The blue one's a little firmer and it's going to push a lot more fluid out when you're squeegeeing down your PPF. Next up, we have a clay bar. The clay bar is used to remove any of the contaminants on the paint surface prior to install, an essential part of PPF installation. We also need a lint-free cloth like this microfiber. We want to minimize contaminants inside the PPF job, so when we do our final clean, we want to make sure that we're not leaving debris behind. Next up, we have the Avery Dennison surface cleaner. This has been specifically designed for the best possible outcome when it comes to cleaning your car prior to your PPF install. There's other products on the market like isopropyl alcohol. It's not really designed specifically for cleaning vehicles. It's got many purposes, where this is designed specifically to get us the best possible result. Next up, we have the application gel. The Avery Dennison gel has been specifically designed to work with our adhesives on our PPF. So it comes in really handy when doing things like mirrors or recesses like door cups or even bonnet recesses that you might come across. Next up, we've got our slip solution. In the slip solution, you're going to have a ratio mixed up specifically designed for our PPF. It helps you apply the PPF, slide it into place, and then get ready to use your tack solution once you want to lock it down. And lastly, we're going to have our tack solution. We usually have isopropyl mixed with water. It is a specific ratio, so make sure you check with that. You're going to utilize that on edges to lock down the film when we're wrapping around corners, as well as on the edge of mirrors when we've got lots of tension on the film. So designed to wash out our slip solutions and our gels.